In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson XP600 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. First, before you download this resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable all of your antivirus, including Windows real-time protection and the temper protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. This is just for a while when you're doing the resetting process. After that, you can get this resetter, the link on pinned comments. After you download the resetter, you can just extract the files. After you extract the files, in here, you need to open the adjustment program here. After that, you can click accept, and after the resetter is open, you can directly click particular adjustment mode button in here and select mouse pad counter and click OK. After that, please click on main pad counter options and click check button. After that, you can click initialization button. If you encounter an error here, you can repeat the resetting process and try using another USB port of the printer on your computer. After the resetter works, you can just click finish and you can close the resetter program or adjustment. After that, you can turn off your printer for a while. Then you can turn back on your printer again. Hope this video helpful for you.